Listen to that. What's cool about this 2015 Ford, I wanted to grab it while we had it in, is this was the big motivator for the Signature Series. Okay? This and our Class 8 market, our heavy duty market, because those guys run, we have some teams running 250,000 miles a year, so they could outlive that 700,000 mile life that we used to have. So not only did we want to break the 700,000 mile life consistently, we got it over 1 million miles. That was our goal. Nailed that. We want to reduce the noise, because when we used to put the old titanium on, not the Signature Series, it would scream on here at 125 gallons an hour at 75 psi. This is 140 psi and works awesome. Okay, so it's quiet. No one can touch us right now. The other thing is that we used to use a draw straw in here. And man, is this thing sensitive to pressure. And you drop it down, the pressure drops just for a second, you're down. So you know what? We came up, we have a 1/2 inch draw tube in there. None of this correlated crap, because that's the convoluted tubing. It causes problems. And now we draw from the basket, and it can utilize the fuel that was designed to utilize from OEM. Okay, so there's almost no need for a sump. Hey guys, just a little sidestep from being out at the 450. We had to get rid of the problem of the quarter tank issue. Some trucks, you know, you wouldn't have it. You know, I've installed it so many times, it works great for most of the time, but you get into these higher pressure systems where if it burps, just a loss of pressure, it shuts the engine down. So we had to improve that, and this is one of the major improvements that we made. We used a stock OEM fuel module, and we're using the tubing is a 1/2 inch inside diameter, and it just works great. It allows you to utilize the fuel in the fuel tank that the OEM designed it for. Okay, it almost eliminates the need for a sump, and it does a great job. It does an awesome job. So that was part of the Signature Series fix that we came up with, and you can't beat it. All right, so those people that are advertising against the quarter tank issue need to find a new one. We fixed this problem back in 2018, and that's when we released it. We had 3 years of testing, trial and error. Okay, I'll take you to the Connex box where we used to do it. Take a look at this. We used to have storage in here, and only 10 pumps running. We have 60 now. Here's our common rails. Look at that. Common rail up there, the feed and return. And before we brought the Signature out, we just put pumps out here, fuel FAss systems, and just let them run day in and day out. I think it went for 1.5 years-ish. And we were able to analyze, improve, and over and over and over. So we hit the 1 million mile mark, quality, quietness, and eliminated that quarter tank issue, okay? If you run out of fuel now, there ain't no fuel in the tank, all right? So, but this is what we put behind. And what we have that go along with this, whenever we get a call, we categorize the call. Whenever our salespeople have a meeting, not salespeople, but our customer service, they have a meeting, our R&D people are in that same meeting. And then our salespeople out in the field, our representatives, when they have their meetings, our R&D team is in with that meeting also. And we're bringing all this information together because we can still improve. And that's what you get when you get a FAss system. Because my name's on it, and my people are taking care of me, taking care of you.